In this video, I'll show you the VidiQ SEO for beginners. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, when it comes to SEO, lots of people they might not really understand what SEO means. SEO means search engine optimizations, right? So, if you want to run an SEO on your channel, what you need to do, you need to use this most recommended and effective keyword research tool, that is VidiQ, right? I'll be dropping the link in this video description so you can get started with that. So if you want to run an SEO on your channel, what you need to do, it would be a very good and short quick guide, right? So let's say I want to make video about let me say Canva, right? I can come on here and search for Canva. This is basically an educational video. I would type in enter. So once I've clicked on this Canva, what you need to do, you need to click on this Canva, right? This is the keyword. From this displayed option, you can see that Canva has a million search volume every month and competition is 7.46. That is very high. The overall score, is high, right? So but if you want to make videos about Canva, what you need to do, you need to check the questions, right? Check the questions and know what people are searching for. This is what lots of people might not tell you, but I'm doing this at least to educate lots of young entrepreneurs out there that may need to know this. This is one of the easiest you need to do. Check for the questions to see to see what people are searching for, to see what people need to know, to see what people are curious about, right? I'll click on this question. From this search volume, you can see that people are searching. You can see that 165,000, okay, 100,000, 6,000, okay, 100,000, 6,589 people are searching for how to use Canva every month. So if you make video about this, you would easily get views, right? How to use Canva, search volume is 100k plus. How to use Canva 43k plus. How to use Canva for beginners 37,000 plus. How to use Canva image 25k plus, right? So this is basically how you can make run up an SEO on your channel, and this is basically an educational videos. I'm doing it for the sake of lots of people that may need to learn this, right? So it's pretty easy. So this is one of the pro tip, or one of the very brief tip I'll be giving to you guys. Let's say I want to make videos about let me say AI, right? AI. So this is what you need to know. You need to know what people are searching for before you can go ahead with making videos, right? If I come on here and search for AI, you can see that AI has 4 million monthly search volume with a very high competition of 90.41. Like that is really high. Overall score is it's pretty high. If you come on here to questions, you'll see what people are searching for. How to make money with AI. Over 154,000 people are searching for this every month, right? You can see that. So I can still go back. What is AI? Over 100k people are searching for this a month. How to use AI? Over 96k people are searching for this a month. If I click on this, how to make money with AI, you can see other related keyword, AI marketing, make money, how to make money online. You can come on here, these questions. You can see what people are searching for. How to make money with AI, how to make money online with AI, how to make money with AI videos. So before you make any videos, you need to be sure of the questions that people are searching for, right? I won't love this video to be really long, but I hope you really learned something from this short video. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, if you got some questions, share your thoughts below.